Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
And this is a rule set and rule set version. This is another data transfer. Do you understand it? On the top, every rule contains the same things on the top. Every rule contains the same things on the top. Now, if you observe, here we have actions, target, relation and source. We will be discussing about each and every action here. We have a few set of actions. I will actually explain what these actions will do. And what is the target? What is the source? Let's go to this one. This looks small, right? Let me private. And one more thing I want to tell you guys. Like on the top, if you saw, we have private edit here. We have private edit. What this private edit means is like if suppose this rule set is locked. The rule set is locked. Locked in a sense you cannot modify the code that is present inside this rule set. Rule set is nothing but a container of rules. Rule set is a container of rules. It may contain any number of rules. If suppose that rule set is locked, then you cannot manipulate or you cannot modify the code or the rules that is present inside the rule set. Then you will get this private edit. Private edit means you are just making a changes in your privacy. Obviously, these changes are not visible for everyone. These changes are only visible for you. You understand the difference. If suppose suppose your development is completed. You need to push the code to higher end environment. Higher end environment might be something like SAT or UAT for production. You have to push the code into higher end environment. Then what people will do? If people will lock the rule set and then will push the code. Let me show you how the lock. They will lock the rule set and they will send the code. And once you lock the rule set, it is not a best practice to unlock it. See if you saw this rule set PEGA process engine. This is an PEGA internal rule set. This rule set, the version is 80 This rule set contains 3000 rules. 6s. And this is locked. You can see the lock icon here. If you expand this one, it will ask to unlock, but we don't know the password for this one. If you click on unlock, it will ask for the password. We don't know the password for this one because this is a PEGA internal rule set. This rule set we haven't created. This is a PEGA internal rule set. If you see our rule set, let me show you our rule set. This rule set doesn't have private edit. This rule set doesn't have private edit. This rule set doesn't have private edit. If you open this rule set, and you can modify the code that is present in this rule set. Once you lock the rule set, then what you have to do, you have to open the next version rule set. If you lock it, you have to open the next version here. If you click on plus icon, it will open the next version rules. See, it is asking 0 and 0 and 0 too. It will open till 99. It will open until 99 version. You understand the basic idea, right? This is very high level. The rule set concept. What is a rule set? Rule set is a container of classes. The rule set is a container of rules. Every rule will be associated with the particular rules and you will get private edit here because the rule set is locked. Any questions till now? Until we developed, we can give the rule set to others. I mean, how suppose you have created one rule set? How it will be a proceed to other like other can see. How actually they will work is like, generally they will open one rule set version for a particular release. If they have the March production release, let us say they will open one rule set version. They will actually develop the code in that particular rule set version and they will push the rule set into production. They will lock it and they will push it. After that, they will open another rule set version for next release. Or else they will open 2-3 rule sets version for a particular release. It's all dependent on the project. You understand here? Here we have versions, right? See, I'll lead an architect. They will say like we are using 0.10.10.10.10.2 for our production release. Now what people will do? People will save their rules, make the changes in these rules. Sets 0.10.10.10.1.0.1.2. And after the development is done or after some code is actually developed, what they will do? They will lock the rules set and they will move the rules set to CD. After moving the rules set to CD, what does that mean? That means we have pushed our code to CD because this rule set contains all the rules. We are pushing the particular rule set means that we are pushing all the rules to that higher end environment. In higher end environment, what they will do? They will actually test the code because a new code is present in the higher end environment. After the testing is done, they will push again the rules set to UAT or production. We have an option to unlock this one also, but they will not do that one. That is not a best practice to follow. We will not unlock once the rule set is locked. If you want to fix anything, they will open a new version, new highest version. Any small changes also, they will open the new version. If suppose there is any small, very minor changes also, they will open a new version. That's it. If suppose you have locked a rule set and you have actually pushed your code, after that they found out a defect. The QA team has raised a defect. Now again, you need a rule set to make a changes, right? Because the previous rule sets are locked. Now you need a rule set again to make a change. Now what if you ask for a rule set? Actually what they will do? They will open one rule set and they will allocate for that particular defect. That rule set may contain one rule also. It actually one rule also, no problem. They will actually push. If suppose they have fixed the defect, they will push the rules. Got. That's right. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.